Brooke, and I'm the Director of Financial Education and Community at Carbon Collective. I'm also a personal finance coach. In this chapter, we're going to cover investing basics. Understanding at least the basics of investing and saving for retirement will help you get on the path to financial freedom and help you make decisions about your money that align with the world that you actually want to retire into. First, I'll start with the fact that most of us were not taught personal finance and investing strategies growing up, and these often fall into the category of things that we all wish that we learned in school. Whether or not you feel fully confident in your personal finance habits and investing knowledge, this chapter is a great overview and refresher. We will cover how to define financial freedom and what it means to you, what to have in place before you start investing, how to set short and long-term financial goals, quick tips for being a successful steward of your investments, retirement versus non-retirement accounts and how to choose the right ones for you, and how to select a portfolio and understand risk. Before we can dive into how to tackle your finances and investment plan, it's important to start with why you should invest your money in the first place. We will explore all of these topics and more in this chapter on how to be a smart investor. Let's get started.